Hi there, we are the platform that helps users to manage their life using AI. So this is the landing page that describes the product. Then we have the privacy policy here that describes how we collect and how we use it and why we use it. So as it's mentioned here, the Google account profile email is collected but only to show on the website on how the user logged in. And then for the Google Calendar access, we don't actually collect any data, or we don't store it in any databases. We just allow users to push tasks to Google Calendar. So there is no read access that we are currently using, so we just push the data to Google Calendar when the users want. And yeah, this is basically describes how it is used, and this is the statement on how the data is stored, how the data is used. So we don't actually train any machine learning models or pass any data collected from Google to any machine learning models. Yeah, here is also the terms page describing the eligibility, like account, the company, and the data. So let me show you how Google integrations work on the app. So here you could use um, Google login to log into your account. So I'm going to log into my test account, and basically if I go to the any live areas, then I could see my tasks. And let's say I want to create a new task, which would be to review payment channels. So, and I'll link it to working prototype live, and the due date will be by the end of this week. So yeah, as you see, the task have been created, and then what I could do there is I could push it to the Google Calendar. But before it being pushed in the integrations page, I need to connect my Google Calendar. So here is now it's connected. So let's basically disconnect it and connect it again. So I could choose my account. This is the test account that shows that the app hasn't been verified. And now we can see what access have been given. View and edit events on all of your calendars. Continue. So now it's connected, and if I go back to the business, I'll find my task. I could push it to the Google Calendar. Let's say it's event from 10 to 11 a.m. So as you can see, there is no data actually collected from Google Calendar. We only push data there. We don't read calendars, so we don't even have access to any data from the calendar, and especially we do not pass it to any AI or any third-party services. Neither we do the information from the signing in, which is only showed here, but no other services get access to this data. Yeah, that's basically it, and then I could see it on my calendar that the event has been added. Let me quickly check. Business, it was on 13 July, 13 July, 13 July, 12 July, 12 July. Oh yeah, so here's my event. So yeah, that's basically how we use integrations, Google integrations in the app. Again, we do not collect any data from the calendar, and we don't pass it to any other third-party services.